Welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog. Welcome to this channel. I'm happy to see you here. Happy to have you as we are embarking on the journey on how to implement the HTML code and load it in our app to show the result of the HTML coding after you're programming with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and others of the code piece of code in it. So without wasting of time, before I will dive into the journey to the tutorial, let me use this app to show you as an example on what I mean. So this app is created by or from Kodular. The tutorial of this thing is for Kodular users. So you see here now the app is loading. If I click on this button, there is HTML, and this HTML is result to a web page, but I'm not using the URL. I'm using the HTML codes of the web page. So once this button click, it will load the HTML and show the result of that web page. So let me click on it now. I'm clicking on it now. Let's see the results. As you can see, it says this is the web page of the HTML, because the HTML is safe and it's a web page in result. So we don't want to keep anyone waiting here. So you open your browser. Kodular is a browser. If you are using, log into your Kodular account now. Okay, once you are in Kodular account, you scroll down. I don't want to use any already project. I want to create a new project with you. So you click on the create a new project. You can use a new project to do it after you have successful get it. You can do the same thing into your main project. So I want to create a project name, the project name HTML. So after that, I give a name to my app. I can say HTML viewer load to make the video short. So click on finish. Finish it. After it's open, we have it this way. We are here to click on this area. We click on this first part so we can extend and see everything there. As you can see, there is extension at the last, in the last of the list under this palette. So you see extension here. Click on the extension. First of all, you need to upload the extension. The extension link will be provided in the description section of this video, and the extension file also will be provided also. So anyone you want to use the link, you want to use the file, you can upload any of it into your projects. So once you click here, there will be a cap for you here. When you see, if you are using mobile device, so once you see there's an option just say import extension. So sometimes if you already have more than or up to 5 extensions and you are using the free plan accounts in Kodular, this will not allow you to upload another extension, or except you delete others or you upgrade to the premium before you can be able to add more than 5 extensions and get access to monetization extension also. So now you click on the import extension. So once you click on the import extension, there is a dialog showing us that we have two options that we can import our extension. The first option is either you use the URL. The URL also I will provide it in the description section of this video, or you choose the file, which also I will provide the one that you download. Once you download, you upload it here. So let me say I want to go with the choose file because I have it in my device. So I will choose the file, I will upload it into this place. Okay, I have picked my file, and you can see the file is in with AIX extension. So you click on the import file. Once you click, you wait a little, it will be loading, and you will have the report. You can see it here on the screen that extension imported HTML view. So you click on the OK. Everything is nice now. You see this is the extension showing here. Let me zoom it so you see it. If your hand does not show like this, you have to try it again. So the next thing you have to do, click on this button to expand our this thing, companion. Now we want to click on the layouts. So we have the layouts, general layouts. We want to drag in two things here. Once you open, I want to go with one. First of all, I must have a vertical arrangement first. I bring in button. So I drag in one button here. So this button will work. When they click this button, it will load the HTML. So the next thing I want to do is to drag in what we know as web viewer. So the web viewer can be found under this layout. Once you click on the layouts, you see views. You click on the views, open this section. Remember, after this section, you open this section. This is the web viewer here. So you drag in, not web view 1. If you use web view 1, you may find some, you may encounter some errors, failures. So use web viewer. So you drag it in and put it into the screen. So once you put it, you set up some things. Let me change the name of my button and some things. So now we have it here. Though we have this in. So what we have to do now, another one, is to upload our HTML file that we want it to show. So either you copy it, I will show you the two areas. So this is my home screen. First of all, you have to prepare your HTML from with this. If you are using Android device or smartphone, so either you are using this same app that I'm using here, or if you have any HTML editor or generator that you want to use to generate your HTML, or you want to use and edit your HTML, you first of all edit that will give you the HTML extension. So once you click on it, you see I have my prepared HTML, which I have prepared it. So this is my HTML that I prepared it, and I mixed with CSS and JavaScript. So this is the HTML. So once if you want to know how to use this app and you need this app, comment in the comment section, I will show you. So the next thing we have to do here is for us to save it. When you save it, you have to come to this folder file known as empty manager. But even if you don't have this one, you can still use it. The other one that you can use is this one as well, because once you use this one, you now pick the file and create a separate folder for the file. So once you click and create this folder for the file, you upload it to that file, change it to that file, so that once you want to upload it into your Kodular account, you'll be able to locate the file easier and pick the file you want to upload. So let's go back to our Kodular account. Okay, now that we have known on how to prepare our HTML and get the file, even if you want to copy it and paste, I will still show you, but the characters of your HTML might make your uploading to be slow. So using the file is better than. So now I want to see how we can upload our HTML file into the Kodular account. You click on this image, this file button, this one that you are seeing there. Click on it. It's known as assets. So once you click, it will redirect you or show you the option here to upload your assets. This is the asset manager. So you click on the upload assets here because you don't have any file. So this one I want to upload is our HTML. It is not our extension. So as you can see, our HTML has been uploaded. So we have to copy the HTML file name. So you press and hold, highlight all the text that you see there, copy it. So once you copy it, you close the dialog. You are now uploaded to your HTML. So what you want to move into the logics. Remember, we have web viewer 1 and we have button. So click on the blocks. So once you click on the blocks, we don't want to waste time. The first thing is to click on the button. So you see the command block button 1. When button 1 click, so you bring it in. To see that we don't have our extension here. Our extension supposed to be here, so we before we can have it is we have to go back to our designer. So in our designer, you come to the extension area where the extension was uploaded to here. So you click on the result page of it. So now we have to drag in the extension to the screen interface. You drag it in. Once you drag it in, we have it now. So you move back to the blocks. So once you move back to the blocks, as you can see, we have it here now. So that's the extension. Now when button one click, what happen? You have to first of all click on the web viewer one. So that's the web viewer one. There's a block we want to pick from the simple block. So where web viewer one, click on the area known as go to URL. Let me zoom so you have it. I believe you understand. I will show the text. You can see the text example on the screen there. So go to URL. So click on that, call web view one, go to URL and fix it inside the button. So now we have when button one click. So the URL now, what do we have to put here? You click on the area text. So you click on text. The text, you pick the join text here, join block. So pick the join block and fix it here. So once you finish it, the first join block is the extension file we want to pick. So you click on the extension here. Once you click on the extension, you since the HTML is file, we don't want to use the code HTML, but if you want to use the code HTML, you pick this one. If you want to use the file, you go to the second one. So pick the second one and fix it. That is file, HTML1 file. So the how are we to recommend or to connect the file is to go back to the text. Under the text, you pick the text block, or is it string block or text block, and how you want to understand it. That is what we know as string block. You drag it and fix it here, fix it in this block. So now what we have to do, click on inside the value box so that we paste the name of the file that we copied. Copy the name of that file that we uploaded. It was, my own was hellopage.html. So I don't know what is your own. You paste it and you press the OK button. We are good to go. Everything is done. You go back and you export. Click on the export and the top here to install your app and see the working of it. So you click on the Android APK and wait for your app to compile. So now click on the download APK to download and install your app. The app is downloaded. Open it. So as we want to open it, we install the app. Install your own. So app installed. What you have to do is to open your app, test your work, open it. I click on the open button. You see, this is my own. This is the button that I create, that I put. Look at the button here, view results. That's the button that I put. So once I click on the button, let's see if the HTML will be loading and it will show the results. Yes, it worked for me. I believe it will work for you also. If you have any challenge, you tell me in the comment section. Share the video also, like it. As a regular viewer, you put your hand on the subscribe button. Consider support by sharing as well. Thank you for watching the video. I believe the video has been of help to you. Always stay tuned and come back for the next video.